Maatiiwwan ji'oo lesson 17 TV hundumti keessan akkam jirtu nagaa keessanii qayyabannaan keessan akkamii itti fuftanii qayyabachaa jirtu yeroon faayinaalii akkasumas egaa moodeliin kutaa 12ffaa barattoota Oromiyaa keessa jirtaniidhaaf isinitti dhiyaachaa jira. Barattoota yuunivarsiitiittis immoo reemediyaalii warri barachaa jirtan qormaanni xumura seemisteera tokkoffaa isin jala gahee jira waan ta'eedhaaf haaluma karaa keessaatiin barattoonni kanneen akka Fu'aadfaa nagaafachaa turtaniin kunoo barnoota keessan history qabadhee isiniif dhiyaadheera. Iddoowwan gaaffiin kun ba'an irra deddeebitanii dubbisuudhaan qormaata keessaniidhaaf akka qophooftan gamanumaan isin affeera. እንደምናችሁ ተማሪዎች ሰላም ናችሁ? የጂኦ ለሰን 17 ቲዩብ ቤተሰቦች ሁላችሁም ባላችሁበት የጌታ ሰላም ይብዛላችሁ። በውስጥ በኩል እንደነ ፉአድ ያላችሁ ተማሪዎች ሂስትሪ ሬሜዲያልን ፕሊዝ ብላችሁ ሲጠይቁኝ እንደነበረ ትላንትና ለነገ እሰራላችኋለሁ ብዬ ነበረ። ቀጠሮዬን በማክበር ይኸው ቪዲዮ ይዤላችሁ መጥቻለሁኝ። ጠዋት ማብራሪያ ያለውን 12 ጥያቄዎችን ለቅቄላችኋለሁ። አሁን ደግሞ ይኸው ከሰዓት ሁለተኛውን ክፍል ከ13ኛ ጥያቄ እስከ 25 ያለውን ከምዕራፍ 1 ብቻ ይዤላችሁ መጥቻለሁኝ። እናንተም ከኔ ጋራ በማጥናት ለፈተናችሁ እንድትዘጋጁ ከወዲሁ አሳስባችኋለሁ። Choose the correct answer from the given alternatives. Question number 13. Who were the rulers of ancient Rome during the Republic era? A. Emperor. B. Kings. C. Consular. D. Senators. Question number 14. Which civilization is credited with developing democracy? A. Roman. B. Greek. C. Persian. D. Egyptian. Question number 15. What is the historiography? A. The study of historical events. B. The study of how history is written. C. The study of historical fiction. D. The study of prehistoric tools. Question number 16. What is a secondary source of history? A. Letters. B. Archaeological tools. C. Textbooks. D. Coins. Qaroomina Roomaa keessatti bulchitootni Roomaa waggaa tokko tokkodhaaf akka bulchaniidhaaf carraan kennamuuf consulars jedhamanii beekamu. So the answer is C. ሮምን ለአንድ ዓመት እንዲያስተዳድሩ እድል የሚሰጣቸው ኮንስላስ በመባል ይታወቃሉ። Question number 14. The civilization credited with developing democracy is Athens. Greek is the origin home of democracy. B is the correct answer. መድ ዲሞክራሲ የዲሞክራሲ ጅማሮ ሰንተሩ ግሪክ ነው፣ አቴንስ በሚባል አካባቢ ላይ ማለት ነው። Okay, question number 15. What is historiography? Historiography ማሊ ምንድን ነው ለምለው ጠዋት ማብራሪያ ተሰጥቶበታል። Historiography is the study how history is written. seenaan akkamitti barreeffama kan jedhu kan qayyabatudha jechuudha historiography ታሪክ እንዴት ይጻፋል የሚለውን የሚያጠና ነው። So B is the correct answer. Question number 16. Letters, archaeological tools, and the coins are primary sources in history, but text is secondary source of history. So C is the correct answer. Question number 17. Which civilization developed the Great Wall of China? A. India. B. Egyptian. C. Chinese. D. Persian. Question number 18. What is the purpose of historical timeline? A. To show geographical locations. B. To geographically represent events chronologically. C. To classify sources. D. To compare civilization. Question number 19. Which civilization was known for its city-states such as Athens and Sparta? A. Roman. B. Greek. C. Persian. D. Egyptian. Question number 20. Which term refers to 1,000 years in historical dating? A. Decade. B. Century. C. Millennium. D. Era. Okay. Here, as we have discussed in the previous video, Chinese were known with their civilization of building a great wall. So the correct answer is C. Question number 18. Historical timeline is used to graphically or visually represents events chronologically. So the correct answer is B. Question number 19. The civilization was known for its city-states such as Athens and Sparta is Greek. The correct answer is B. Question number 20. Term refers to thousand is for millennium. Terms refers to for 10 years is decade. Terms refers to for 100 years is century. So C is the correct answer. Millennium is 1,000 years in historical dating. Question number 21. Which of the following was the capital of Inca Empire? A. Tenochtitlan. B. Cusco. C. Lima. D. Machu Picchu. 22. Of the following historians, one was established history as an academic discipline. Which one is it? A. Herodotus. B. Leopold von Ranke. C. Aristotle. D. Socrates. Question number 23. Which civilization created the Julian calendar? A. Greek. B. Roman. C. Egyptian. D. Chinese. Question number 24. Which civilization is associated with the Book of the Dead? A. Mesopotamian. B. Egyptian. C. Greek. D. Roman. Question number 25. Blank is the process of preserving a body in ancient Egypt called? A. Cremation. B. Embalming. C. Mummification. D. Preservation. The correct answer for question number 21 is Cusco is the capital city of Incan Empire. So B is the correct answer. Question number 22. Leopold von Ranke was an historian that established history as an academic discipline. So the correct answer is again B. Question number 23. Romans created a Julian calendar after the Julian Caesar, who prepared a calendar. B is the correct answer. Bulchaa Julian Caesar jedhamuun kan qophaa'edha kalendariin warra Roomaa. Kanaaf kalendarii warra Roomaa maal jedhama? Julian calendar jedhamee beekama jechuudha. Julian calendar በመባል ይታወቃል። የሮማኖች ካለንደር ጁሊያን የተባለበት ደግሞ አዘጋጁ ጁሊያን ሲዘር ስለነበረ ነው። Okay, question number 24. Egyptians are associated with a book of the dead that gives hints and teachings about the mummification. Ancient Egyptians were guided by this book. The guidance book for Egyptians was known as what? Book of the Dead. So B is the correct answer. Question number 25. Mummification is the process of preserving a body in ancient Egyptian. C is the correct answer. Barattoota gaaffilee kana viidiyoo ganama isiniif gadhiisame irratti hundooftanii sirriitti akka qayyabattan dhaamsa barsiisummaa koo yeroon isiniif dabarsu assaayimentii yookiin hojii manaa gaaffiiwwan arfan ganama isiniif kenname immoo kommentiidhaan akka na beeksistan asumarraan adaraa barsiisummaa kiyyaan isinitti dhaammadha. Chaanaalii keessan Geolesson 17 Tube waan daawwattaniif galatooma. Geolesson 17 Tube chaanaalachuun sila gobanyaachuu አመሰግናለሁ። Geolesson 17 Tube chaanaalii milkoomina egeree dhalootaaf dhimmu